Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic sunroof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified Program.